Oh, okay, now I'm going to show you how we do our plank shoulder taps. So come down, lying position, so we can get into a good plank position. Tuck your toes under, come up, and everything's in a nice straight line. A plank on your hands and on your toes. Now we're going to try to stay as steady as we can and tap the other shoulder. Opposite shoulder to opposite hand, trying to keep everything as still as we can and holding a really good plank position. So what's a good plank position? From our head, neck and spine in a nice straight line, tailbone tucked under and belly sucked in. And tap.